This is the other Mamamoo album that I bought recently. I should have my unboxing of Pink Funky up by the time you're watching this. So if you want to watch that, I'll drop a card somewhere. But this is Mamamoo's Hello. I know it is an older album, but again, I didn't get into them until recently, like a couple months ago. But I think I want to listen to more girl groups, and Mamamoo is one of them. So yeah. The structure of this album is similar to Pink Funky. And I did quickly glance over this album before I started filming, and I didn't get a photo card for this album, but that's okay. This album also had a really short photo book. It's actually a lot shorter than Pink Funky, but yeah, this is the whole album.